Kulimbula people, Kulimbula, welcome back to another episode of Life in the Village. Today people, we're gonna go up to the school. It's me here with Jacob there, Kulashi there. We're gonna go up and build a teacher's school. Eh? It's 10 by 10 by every village in the school. So let's go. So people, this is how you do it. Nearly in the school now. So yeah. Look people, let's fly. Let's fly and see how the house look like. And that's the boys on top of the house. Just finishing the thing, and then we gonna do the iron on top. Yumna Sangi, wake up. This is when the reason why you live in the village, eh? Only morning walk with the sunglass. Yang gonna effect.
Yang gonna, oh, pakana saya tak mau bisuta.
So people, we're gonna today's job, we're gonna work on the putting iron on top of the roof. Still going on people. Now people, it's time for the big belt. Eh brother? Big belt, eh?
Lock it,
Lock the house.
lock the top of the house.
This will go here over there.
Like go here, middle, and the corner.
Corner to corner.
Yeah.
So this is the last thing before you do the iron roof, eh?
Yeah.
In kitchen style.
Lock the top first. Tera. Ito ba, meron pa raw, may kung saan yung daw.
The people, time to stretching up the other side of the belt. Other side of the house. That's the belt that we already did. And this is the belt we are about to do, eh uncle?
It's been 2 weeks now.
Yeah?
In the house. Been doing a lot of sacrifice.
Overcut. So people, this is the school teachers in Mutiri. There's one there, the other one over there, the other one over there, and the other one on the top of there. This one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 houses over there, and the partition over there. So we're making the 7 houses here for the school teacher. So people, time to make the lalangs for the house. This way you're gonna adjust the katubalak and the katubalibu.
Yeah.
Okay. Window and the big door. The rest of the boys still up there. Koroi, kundakir nasi biar yang kon. Here is the master of Vakota. The master of the Vakota. See. No siri, no guy. Lobos. The second one, eh? The more than nail, the stronger the house. No basir. One shot, one. Two shot. So this is the guy that doing the Wawa rouse. How many centimeter, brother? 505. After that level. Okay. You see when the level is straight, the angle here is the level straight. Pelam, eh? Aku. Look straight, uncle. Look straight. Hurry up.
Wait.
Look at the level.
Straight.
Jangan, a little bakal kalah. Don't make that thing bakal kalah, boy. Otherwise you good at bakal kalah. Second to go. Hey! Level kori. Nak sim, nakanawan no sim. What's the name of that thing, anak?
Flat eye.
Flat eye. That's to prevent the dust. Eh? Save the iron. Prevent the dust. Save the iron.
Prevent the sun.
Oh, the sun.
Yeah.
The hot. Eh?
The hot.
The heat.
The heat on the sun.
Roof plastic. Hop, hop. Woohoo!
There's no cars.
Iya, tadi skip.
Yeah. Now we made a new cars.
Oh, new cars. Oh, that's how you do made
Yeah,
new
this
cars.
is we need to make a new cars. You hit.
Hah?
Oh, wait, karena apa kau? This one is very small.
Huh.
Can crack the pellet.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, ta. Ramatan apa kau ba? Ano betul? Okay. This is
That's how you do it.
yeah.
Stock load. Iu mate bahkan fokus.
Jangan ya betul. You bring man that nail. Okay.
Nil. May mo.
You have that big nail. No, small.
Sure, boy.
Yeah, this one. Take this knife and after that and sit.
Oh, shit.
Sit.
Be careful, you can raise your ass.
Yes. Don't leg tucks. Wait lang on the other side. So can they can dag in. Dag
Pag
na.
nasa siya yung dag na ladi.
So we nail this one. Like this. So you can hold it
So look.
while we do it like this. It's not pulling up.
Oi.
Yes. That's why we usually
That's why you nail the side first
nail the
before
side
you
first
till it.
before the bottom one.
When you till it like this, it's easy to till.
Is it? See, singer.
Makarina, baby.
Karina. Yeah, singer.
Okay, thank you, boy.
Yeah.
See you.
See. When it's still, it's
Yeah,
very
see like this. Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
See, what you doing to your best, eh? So
very
because-
big deal, eh?
Yeah, very big deal. Yes, engineer will come and see what you doing.
Hey.
Yeah, don't double job. 5, 6, 8.
Do the measurement nicely. Kapenta. This guy, when he build the house, he can dirty the girl's neck with his technique. Suki mana?
Time to lunch, eh? Stand up, Suki.
How's it, Babu? Huh? This is Babu.
No.
So, Kesola, what we up to? Good. Ano mo ba? Doing the... Lalang. Is that Kuroy here? What is doing Kuroy? Cooking.
Lako. Oh, may flash tumbo. Flash. Flash ko rin.
Mga ito mo.
Naka.
Hadre. Tang out.
Pocket out.
So, people, it's time to go and have lunch in the village. The lunch that prepared by the Marama from Navuti. So, yeah.
유튜버.
Suki mana?
Bisa $10 sugiri.
$10 Suki naik re. Kita sali sumbu. Gimana cuna ka? Time for kana. What is that?
This is the cabbage.
So this is a soup toast.
No, that one.
The chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
And that's this one is the ayam living in the sea. Yeah, this one. We will do one vlog of it. The lumimbal. And that's the fish. The same color. The dal and the squash. That's it from the paddies. How's that dish?
It's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Kan value. Baby, how was that? Good, eh? Very nice indeed, na? Nakana singiliw. Now time for the rest. After the lunch, rest at the seawall. You can sit nicely, enjoy the view. People, look manda, look. Very totoka. Kustan over there. So yeah. Kau sali tahun nuku?
Tahun nuku? Dami sa taon ko, telenuji na.
So people, it's time. The time now is 2:50 in the afternoon. So we are back now. to do the seawall, to do the teacher's house. So yeah, we already have a nice lunch. The seafood nga from our sea, and some dal nga from the shop, and some rice nga from the yeah. Let's go. Before mandadet, one suki.
Suki.
Summarize the
Break. Suki break.
to summarize the lunch.
Yeah, to neutralize the lunch,
Yeah.
it was very perfect and delicious.
How was the lunch today?
Different kind.
Yeah.
Plenty menu.
The seafood nga may
The
from our
seafood
sea,
and the chicken from the land.
and the rice.
Seaweed.
And the rice.
Soup. Soup rice. Plus the cabbage and the cucumber. Everything there. All in one.
So the lunch should be sleep a little bit, eh?
That is why I ate plenty lunch.
This is the music star. Music star. Brushing. Brushing.
Noggin.
Oh, nogging.
Yeah, noggin.
Bobo. Woohoo. Education you.
Arvin. Arvin.
I think Ron. So each of every nogging is called B2, B1. Eh?
Yeah.
The B1 is for this side. There's a B1, then a B2. It's named after the string over there. The string here. Then B3. And over here it's gonna be A, B, C, C, C1, C2, C3 on top. Over here D here. D1, D2, D3. Yeah.
May nabag-coca na ka.
Kung kamu mo tanan ka. So we already do the nogging on that side. You can see the small bridge over there. But now we are starting at the face of the house. So people, everything you look into the house like this, only the face. Yeah? Uncle? The first thing you judge for the house is the face of the house. Eh?
Very anti.
Okay. See? You non-education.
Tarapin mo ba ko? Nalaba ko po yun. Sulam. Plastic ko, flash.
Kaya mo tanga may ako may.
Maro.
Wala, wey!
Tempat. This is it, people. That's when the kawa is on top of the house. This is what the pigeon do. Tamarama, Njina. And this is the clap from the...
Songkong
The what?
mula.
Thank you. This is what... This is how pigeon do, eh? This is how when we put the iron on top of the roof. And this is the... Thank you. This will go around the house. Thank you. You wanna say something to the...
Oh, Bula.
What did you do? What did you do to the house?
We come and get
The what? You. Okay. So look people. So that's how we do it, people. When the house is, the roof is on the iron on top, and then we're gonna do it like this. The woman will bring the sulkat katu and everything to dedicate the house, like appreciate the thanks for the house, for the people who build the house. So yeah. After the big day of work, this is after function. With a grog. This is all the bush. This is how traditional goes.
Welcome. This is my tabale.
Huh?
My tabale there.
Anon tabali.
Anon.